I get a secret of public speaker. If you want to be a public speaker, then you have to know the secret. Hey folks, I am Ranjan. In this session, welcome you all. You have listened a lots of influencer, a lots of leader, lots of politician who say their speech. What you observe inside them when they are saying something inside them, is there some ray outside from their body or their face? No, they are saying the things that are energetic. They convert their energy into the words, and they are adding their energy, their experience, their expertise, their emotions and everything into the word, and they deliver the word. So we are attracted to this word because of the word are full of energetic, full of positivity and full of knowledge. That's why we are going to very much attract to these words, because these words have some emotions, connect the audience to the speaker. That's why the speaker are called the renowned public speaker. The converting skill, the energy converting skill, what the amount of energy you are converting yourself into the word, that can give you the best public speaker. The influencers are doing the same thing. When they are saying something, they are just converting the words into their expression, emotions and energy and positivity too. That's why the audience is going to connect with the public speaker. So if you want to be a public speaker, if you want to be a speaker to whom the people are going to observe you, then you can convert your energy, convert your expressions into the words. In the initial stage, in the beginning stage, it may feel difficulty, it may take some time, but if you are master on this, then you can be the good influencer, good motivational speaker and very good public speaker. Right now I am doing the same thing. I am just converting my energy into my words. I am not a scalable person in this, but in the coming days I will be go for mastery on this, because if you are doing 10,000 times on a things, on a skill, on a passion, then you are going to master on these skills. So I need 10,000 hours to master on the skills. So this is the secret of public speaker, that why they are very much renowned, very much popular, only because of their converting of energy into the words, only because of their emotions they convert into words and they deliver to you. That's why by the help of this word you are connected with the speaker and the audience. So in any stage, not only in the stage when you are speaking something to public or you are delivering your speech, but also in every field, in everywhere, in your family member, in your friend circle, in your team member, anywhere. If you want to give some value to your words, then you have to convert your emotions, your energy, your positivity into this word and deliver to them. Then they will influence to you and they will convince to you and they motivate from you and get the work what you are wants to do from them. Right now the politicians are doing the same thing, because they are influencing you, they are converting you and use you for the vote only. And some development are they do, they not do, that doesn't matter. We are just focusing on the speak that they say, the speech that they say, the inflation that they do. So they are the very good public speaker, influencer and leader too, due to only because of the converting skill, the expression skills. Because of the expression a lot, that's why they connect to the audience with their heart. At last I want to say that if you want to be a good public speaker, good communicator, good speaker in your surrounding, in your environment, in your team, in your organization, then be a public speaker, be a converter of energy to your words. Signing off with giving your wishes to take a step to your prosperity life. Thank you.